Phil Ebiner.
I'm Isabel Ebiner. We basically remodeled the whole house. Super easy to talk to, communicative.
We trusted Joey and his team to be coming into the house doing what's right, and we felt safe with them coming. The door was open, they could kind of just come in and out. Just a big family for a while.
I was gonna say, I kind of miss them.
Yeah, Tim and Tony, they were like
and Manny,
uncles to the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think what's really special is that because we remodeled it and we got to choose every little thing, like the tile, the paint colors, the trim, everything. It's like very much a reflection of us and our style.
We love the house, and like Isabel said, I feel like it's hard to think back when we bought the house how different it was compared to now, but we had like a vision and it came out, and yeah, super happy with it.
There are certain things that just like total gems that I love about the house, like the fireplace. Tommy did that, and just like seeing him work on it every day and come together, and we're like, I look at that every day. It's like a work of art just in the middle of the room. Or his dad did the tile, and the cabinets. Just there are really high quality work that they did. Just like a big thank you to the Joey and the guys for building us our home that we're gonna raise our kids in.